This classic wooden board comes with 25 pegs and it's a fantastic toy. I think if I'm not mistaken, the age recommendation is for 3 to 5-year-olds, but you know your kids best. My daughter is 15 months old and she loves it. She watches her brother playing with it and she wants to do everything he does. And honestly, it's great for her hand-eye coordination, color recognition, creativity. It strengthens those little muscles in her hands, and it also provides an opportunity to talk about different heights, patterns, stability. So it's great for developing vocabulary. Of course, she's too young to sort the pegs by color, but that's something you can do later on. So this toy will grow with your child. And that's really true because my son still loves playing with it to see how high he can build it before it falls over completely. So this is a great one to have.